Hello guys, this is MD Atta. Welcome back to Real Life Code. We are here to learn simple web development and designing concepts. So if you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for more videos. So let's start our today's topic, HTML element. In today's lecture, we will cover what are HTML elements, what are nested HTML elements, and what are HTML empty elements. So what are HTML elements? HTML elements is defined by starting tag, some content, and then ending tag. You can see here an example. The HTML elements start with tag name, then some content goes here, and in the last we write ending tag. Here is examples of HTML elements when we write heading in HTML elements. So heading will start with h1 tag, h1 starting tag, then we write some heading. I wrote here my first heading, and at the end we write the closing heading tag. Similarly, for paragraph, we start paragraph element with p tag, then write some paragraph. I have wrote here my first paragraph and the paragraph closing tag. So this is the way how to write HTML elements in our HTML doc. Next, we learn about nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested elements. This means that elements can contain other elements. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. Here is an example. Body tag is nested in HTML tags, and similarly heading and paragraph tags are nested in body tag. So this is the basic example of nested HTML element. One HTML tag is nested in another HTML tag. So this is the way how to write nested HTML element. What are empty HTML elements? HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. Here is an example of empty element. Just like if we want to break line, then we write br HTML tag. So this is an empty HTML element. There is no closing tag of br HTML element tag. We will learn about some additional information here. As we can say, HTML is not case sensitive. For example, we can write HTML tag in capital alphabet or in small alphabet. The HTML standard does not require lowercase tags. We recommend lowercase HTML tags for HTML documents. Now we will do some HTML elements examples, nested HTML elements and empty elements. So open Notepad++, create a new file. So these are HTML elements. We can write head closing tag. In head we can write title, and below head element we write body element. So here we write the basic structure of HTML document. Here we can say these are some basic HTML elements. We have also learned about nested HTML elements. So nested HTML element of head tag is title, because title tag is the nested element of head element, and the head element is the nested element of HTML, and body element is also a nested element of HTML tag. Because in HTML tags we have write body tag and head tag, and in head tag we write the title tag. In body tag we can write heading tag also and paragraph tag also. So heading tag and paragraph tag are the nested element of body element. So here is the hierarchy of HTML document, HTML elements. These are the h1 and paragraph are nested element of body, and the body is the nested element of HTML element. So this is an example of HTML nested elements. We have also learned the empty element. If we save, write the title of this HTML element, and in heading tag we write HTML elements. In paragraph we can write HTML elements, then we can write HTML nested elements, and we write empty elements. So save this file in HTML format, select HTML format and write the name of this file HTML element. Save it. So this is the paragraph, this is the heading, and this is the title. If we run this program in our Chrome browser, so it will show HTML headings and a paragraph, and this is the title of this HTML page. So here we talked about HTML elements and nested HTML elements. Now I need to explain empty HTML elements. So, and we have learned about BR element, which is an example of empty element. So if we write here BR tag and save our document, refresh our web browser, will break the paragraph. So this is an example of HTML empty element. If we want to break our paragraph, here we can write here BR tag, save our file, refresh our web browser, and this is the implementation of empty element in our paragraph. So here we explain HTML elements, nested HTML elements, and empty elements. We have also learned about case sensitivity of HTML tags. So I have used here capital alphabet for HTML tags. I have write here capital paragraph tag and capital paragraph closing tag. So if we write here something, this is my HTML paragraph, and save it, refresh our web browser, so it will work. It doesn't matter whether we use small alphabet or capital alphabet, because HTML is a case sensitive language, so we can write our HTML codes in capital alphabet as well as small alphabet. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.